Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a Lego tutorial on how to build a Lego pop machine. So here's one of the parts that you're going to have to build right here. Let's focus on it. Okay, you're going to need a 4x6 plate. What you're going to do is you're going to put just like this right here. You can actually see in here. 4 there, a 2 there with this on top. Then right here you just put one of these and then flat pieces. Right? Okay. So next you're going to have to build this. 1x3 with two 1x3 plates. A flat piece, and I just used this because I didn't have a plain flat piece at the time. Then you're going to have two 1x1s right here. It's like this when you're done. Also, you're going to have to make this. So you can put a 2x4 plate there. I just used them. Then you're going to have to put a 2x3 right on top of that with 1x2s on the side to make it a 2 thick. Then you're going to have to get these chairs looking things. As you can see, it's kind of dusty. It's been sitting around. Right here, and then you're going to have to put one here and then leave the rest of the 1x3 part alone. So there's a 2x1 sticking out. Next you're going to build this. A 2x3 plate with, you're going to have to put a 1x2 flat piece on it with a brick, 1x2 flat brick down below this, and then you're going to have to put this on here. Then a 1x1 right there with a 1x1 slanted, 1x1 slanted, and another 1x1 slanted as seen. Like so. Also, you're going to have to build the pusher, which is a 1x2 and a 1x1 and a 1x2 flat, like this. Looks like that, and these there, like so. Okay. Also going to have to build, this might be very hard for you guys. You don't have to have the actual money, this thing, but that's just your money. You can leave that to the side. So I'm going to put it over here. So then you're going to have to put a 2x3, or you could do a 3x3 on there with one of these. And this, which is a corner piece. And you put this on here with a 1x1 with one of these, and then you grab this baby and put it back on there like so. So it looks like this when you're done. Okay? Now for the hard one. This one's going to be very, very hard. I'll split it up into two different pieces. I'm going to have to remember how to put that back together. So what you're going to need to build is this. I know it might look confusing, and I will explain. So what you're going to need is this, and then you're just going to put a 2x2, a 1x1, a 2x2, a 1x2 flat brick, and these don't have to be here. They're like the pops in the pop machine. A 2x3, and right here, over here, we're going to have to need, right here in the back, a 1x3 flat, and then a 1x3 with a 1x1 flat, and then a 2x3 on top. So it should look like this when you're done. And put this back like this. It should look like this when you're done. Okay. Okay. So next you're gonna build. Whoopsie. Sorry about that. This. Which is a 1, just a plain 1x3 with a a 1x3 flat and another 1x3 flat sticking over the edge, and you're going to grab this piece and you're going to connect it with your one that's sticking off to look like this. And then you're also going to need how many of these pops, but I recommend 2, and they have to be circle. And then you have to have a 1x2 flat piece, and I have this money looking flat piece, so I'm using this one. Okay, so time to put it all together. Okay, so first of all, you're going to take this piece right here, the base, and this, and put this right here. Okay? Next, you're going to grab this piece, the chair kind, and see this spot right here where it's empty, as you can see. You're going to stick that right onto there. Should look like this. Alright? Okay. Now you're going to grab this piece, and with the 1x1 here and the slanted piece here, with that on the back, you're going to set that right on top of there, and it should leave a little air pocket there. And it should look like this. Okay, there you go, right there. Okay, so next you're going, just a second, let me fix this, get it all straightened out. Next you're going to grab this piece, the confusing one that we built, and you're actually going to just stick it right on top of this, and it should clamp onto all this stuff just like that. And last, you're going to grab this piece, and you're actually going to put it right here and stick it on, and it should look like so. When you're done, it should look like this. Then you grab your little pusher key, this one, and put it right inside this, so then that opens and closes right here. Okay? Now, for the okay, cool. So there should be a 1x1 open space here. You just take this piece up, just like so. Then there should be a 1x1 space there. You grab these little pop cans, and you lean it this way, and you pop them down in there. Make sure you turn, if this one's up, then you put this one downward, like this, so they don't connect to each other, and don't get clamped up. Put that in there just like so. Uh-oh. It fell. Okay. And put this back on here. Putting it in, sorry. Takes a second. Actually, I lied. That isn't right. Sorry, that piece wasn't the right piece. Forget what I said about this part. Seal that back up. It's this one. Sorry. Okay, so you see this hole right here? And I should have known with this thing. It's telling me to there. I remember making that there. Okay, so then you got this hole here. So then you put these pops in and make sure you put them in right. Like that. You can fit one in there at a time. If you want to make like a hopper or something to go to it, you can do that. And then you can just put this back on here. Sorry about that. Just like this. Okay? So then your pop is right in there. And you can possibly... Oh gosh, where'd it go? Oh yeah, it's still there. Wait. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So, then you get your money, and you want to use your pop machine. So, you grab your key, right here. Grab your key, you pull it. There should be an opening right there, right about the size that you can put this money in. right through here, and you push it through, and then that's why there's an opening here for you to push it that far in, and it should go flush with the, it should go 2 in, just like this. See how it's 2 in? And push it in just a bit more, and that's what this pusher's for too. Okay? So as you can see, the money is 2 in, and then you just take the key, put it in the side like so, and then let me just tilt this up so that it falls in right. Okay. It'll push the money over, and the pop is sitting there, so then it should push your pop, and then your pop is right there, as you can see. It's right in there, and then it should fall down like that, and then your money will be here in the back. Wait, right here in your tray from falling through here and then pushed down by this. And then you have your little pop machine. Okay, so this has been a tutorial of the Lego pop machine with your full pop and money and everything with it. You can also stick your stuff to the top if you want to keep it. That's what I did. Okay, so here it is, finished, ready to deliver some pops in your Lego City. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.